Hello, new school Beyblade here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of Beyblade X, Dagger Dran, 470 Quake. It should be point, but it has give it Quake. But yeah, let's get it started. But yeah, definitely really nice to actually find these in stores now. At least, cause this pay to find some of this newer stuff. Sometimes I have to even order them online because how hard they are to find. Okay. There he is, a gorgeous orange. Here's the QR code. 470 Quake. This 470 and Quake. I actually like this orange Quake, but yeah, definitely an interesting one to have to my collection. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.